In the haze and neon glow, the jukebox hums. Sawdust floors soak up stories whispered and strummed. Cowboys in worn Stetsons belting out their blues. Ladies in French skirts twirling in their dancing shoes. Bartender pours courage, liquid fire in a glass, as the honky-tonk angels sway lost in the past. Cigarette smoke curls like secrets in the air. In this dim-lit chapel, hearts collide and repair. Honky-tonk nights where the jukebox sings, two-stepping souls chasing forgotten things. Whiskey kisses, promises made and broken. In this neon cathedral, love's unspoken. Strangers become confidants, tales spun like gold. Old Hank on the speakers, his lonesome stories told. The waitress winks, serves up liquid courage and grace. As the fiddle weeps, lost hearts find their place. Boots stuff the floor, rhythm of 1,000 dreams. In this honky-tonk haven, nothing's as it seems. Broken hearts mended, lost souls found, under flickering neon, love's sweet battleground. In low places, dark croods with a grin, as the jukebox spins memories, sins and gin. The bartender's a therapist, pouring salvation, and the moon winks through the window, our witness to elation. Neon moon, Brooks and Gunn harmonize the night, as couples sway, tangled in love's soft light. The jukebox our preacher, the dance floor our pew. In this honky-tonk gospel, redemption's floor our pew. In this honky-tonk gospel, redemption's true. So raise your glass to honky-tonk nights, where neon lights flicker and love takes flight. In this whiskey-soaked sanctuary, we find our way. Honky-tonk angels and troubadours sway.